Alrighty guys, so today I am making a two-tiered farm-themed birthday cake for a 1-year-old child. And in this cake, I use a 6-inch and a 4-inch confetti cake. Both are filled with vanilla custard and iced with my regular Swiss meringue buttercream. This would be the first time that I'm using a 4-inch cake, and it was quite worrisome for me while I was filling and icing it because it's so small. I haven't really done a cake as small as this before, but thankfully nothing bad happened. And it was pretty fun icing and crumb coating both cakes. I always enjoy the crumb coating and the icing part. It just feels really satisfying and relaxing, especially when you get all those sides so smooth and you get those sharp edges as well. For the top tier, I used a sky blue color because it would appear as the sky, and the bottom tier with a green color. I think in the video it's looking a little bit more of a light teal color, but it is green, so that it would appear as if it's like a field or like a prairie type of appearance. And I already put 2 dowels on the bottom tier before I put that top cake on top of the bottom tier, and I also put a longer dowel in the middle to hold both tiers together and that it would not topple. And I just applied a little bit more buttercream to seal it in and to cover the gap between those 2 tiers. And then I also used a fondant. I cut some strips of wood as fences. I used a wood-like impression mat to get that wood effect on these strips. I used a brown color fondant, and then I also maybe I could say painted the strips with powdered brown coloring just to get a little bit more darker color. And I also cut out fondant of different colors to start forming the animals. Good thing that this was just a 2D sort of cake, so I didn't need to mold or create 3D animals. I have cloud cutters, so that was easier to make for the clouds. I had 4 animals on this cake. So the first one was the brown one was a horse, which my roommate thought it was a brown cow. And this actual cow, a white cow with black spots. And I think this is my favorite because it just looks so cute. And I also had a pig animal here. To be honest with you, I found the pig and the ducks to be looking a little anemic because the colors are so pale. I accidentally got the pastel colored yellow and pink, but it still works, I think. I think I did 5 ducks here, and I just started putting them all around the cake, different heights to give it a little bit more dramatic effect, I guess. And then I finished the animals with their ears and their tails and started piping grass buttercream on the top of the bottom tier using a Wilton 233 piping tip. It just makes the cake a little bit more 3D'er, I guess. I don't know if that's even a word. And I also piped grass buttercream on the bottom tier, around the bottom tier. And I really think that the grasses add a little bit more dimension to the cake, and since the animals and decorations are already 2D. I also used a different piping tip. It's a Wilton 65. It's a really tiny leaf piping tip, and I piped some more taller and thicker grasses all around the cakes, both tiers. Again, it just adds a little bit more texture and dimension to the cake. And I realized I had a lot more green buttercream left over, so what the heck, right? I just decided to pipe one more row of the grass buttercream around the bottom tier. And I think it looks better that way. And there you have it. That's my 2-tier farm themed cake that I made over the weekend. Thank you for watching this video, and I'm going to be uploading more videos of the cakes that I decorate as I make them. I usually make cakes every weekend or sometimes every other weekend. Thank you again for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel and leave a comment if you like this video, and you have a wonderful sweet day ahead. Thank you.